Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of First Tries Cooking. Today we have an unexpected additional video. You might notice the shirt from the ribs video. It's because I'm actually cooking the ribs sous vide right now, and we were planning on having them tonight, but then I realized you have to cook them for 24 hours sous vide. So we're having a change of plans. The plan tonight, we're doing a first try of smash burgers, but not just any smash burgers. We're gonna do half ground beef and half ground pork. I don't know what it's gonna be like. Come along, enjoy the journey. Let's do it. All right, so in this bowl, I've got about a little over half pound of ground beef, a little over half pound of ground pork, and I'm going to mix them together, but I'm gonna put some of this in there, McCormick's Grill Mates hamburger seasoning. It's really good. And then so I'm gonna make little balls. I'm gonna make I think 8 of them, and because we're gonna have double smash burgers, double stack smash burgers. All right, so I've got the balls made here, and got some brioche buns. Quit laughing. And I spread some mayonnaise on them. I know that sounds disgusting, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna toast these on the griddle. And that actually gives them a nice crust on the inside. And so this is going to be interesting, but we're going to give it a shot. All right, I'm heating the griddle up. It's I got it set between 300 and 425. I think 425 is as high as it'll go. So I'm going to get the buns toasting. All right, I'm just pushing these down a little bit to get them in contact with the surface, so it's not just the edges that are cooking. These don't take long. I've got this new Dexter Cool Blue Basics high heat handle whipper flipper thingy. This is my first time using it, so I got this mainly for the smash burgers because my kids, my girlfriend and I, we all love the smash burger more than pre-made patties. And what I was using before was just like a regular metal spatula. And I mean, although it worked, I couldn't really get a good pressure on it because it has holes in it, so the meat would come out through the holes. It was a little too flimsy. This thing's pretty heavy. I'll put a link to it in the description. I'm curious to see how it works on the smash burgers. Like I said, I've never used it until this moment. You're witnessing it live. Well, it was live. See, it's already getting a nice golden brown. It's hot. All right, time for the burgers. Let's throw these on here real quick and we'll start smashing. I need to go get the cheese too. And space them apart a little bit more. All right, Hulk smash. All right, these are a little harder to smash than just beef, let me say that. But I'm not gonna let it whoop me. All right, I'm not going to keep smashing them because you just want to leave them alone at this point. Once you get them smashed, leave them alone. So you don't want to squeeze all the juice out of them. All right, let's give these things a flip, see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, that's got a nice crust on it. Let's just listen to these for a second. And the air conditioner. We're using cheddar cheese, pre-sliced cheddar cheese from Sargento. I'm not gonna go full on unhealthy, so I'm just gonna put it on I'm not going to go double cheese as well as the double burgers. I apologize for the low light. Number one, it's a little bit late in the evening. It's we're here in Georgia. I don't know, it's after 7. But plus I've got a umbrella over the griddle. All right, let's do this. Let go. All right, so this is what we've got here. We've got some tots. We've got 3 hungry people, 4 if you include me. So let's do some taste testing. Who's going first?
Me.
Just go. You can both go. All 3 of you. Just go. I can see all of you.
His is 2 stacked up. It was up to here. Oh.
You wrap your lips around that, huh? Is it good?
It's interesting.
Yeah? It's different?
Different. Good.
It's different.
Different how?
Well, mine's not as juicy.
Yeah? As a regular beef burger?
Yeah.
This is good.
But it has a good flavor.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What do you guys think?
And so are these tater tots.
They're good? All right, well, I just took a bite of mine. You can definitely taste the pork in it. It's interesting. It's kind of like a burger on a pork chop or something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not as juicy. You would think it would be, but I guess all that juice that was out there on the griddle, it kind of came out. But like I said, it was lean beef. The pork's a lot of fat. So, but anyway, I'd call it a thumbs up. I wouldn't do it every time for sure, but it's definitely doable. I'd give it a shot if you want to give it a go. I think it's worth trying. So, if you like this video, hit the like button. What else? Smash the burger.
Yeah, smash the like button, slap the subscribe button, and click the notification bell.
And join us for more videos. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Laters.